Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial, I'll be doing a high school homecoming beat. The theme is All Stars, so I hope you sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And watch me serve this beautiful beat. So she is going to be a tennis player. So I pre-did her eyebrows off camera, so I'll attach a link so you can click on it. I already add Clown White as an eyeshadow base. The first color is a khaki brown color in her crease. I'm just using a regular crease brush. The second color that I add in the socket of the crease is a dark brown color. For her lid, the last color I'll be using is a black shadow. I did not want her eyeshadow to be a dramatic smoky eye, but a soft black smoky eye, if you get what I mean. To make your black visible, make sure you pat it on the lid. After that, I'll be using some dual adhesive clear glue to stick my glitter on top of. This is just a regular matte black glitter. I'll list this in the description box. I prefer using my finger when applying glitter because I can curve the glitter to the shape of the eyes. And you'll quickly wipe off any fallout. Next, I'll be using this jet black liquid liner by Amuse Cosmetic. This liquid liner gets the job done fast. More power to the wing line divas out there. I'm still practicing, but after that, I'll use the liquid concealer to sharpen my wing liner up. Now I'll be using my lash base by charma. It's called D Wispy. Every time I do double lash, I always use a smaller lash to help me stack the other lash on top. I use Sassy adhesive glue. Now to prep and primer, I'll be using my pomade moisturizer and my Becca's poreless primer as my primer. For her foundation, I'll be using Makeup Forever HD foundation in the shade Y445. I place this foundation all over her face. I normally do 2 shades foundation, but she could use 1. As you can see, I also pat the foundation on the concealer line that I sharpened her eyes with. For the concealer, I'll be using MAC Cosmetic Pro Longwear in the shade NW35. If you guys watch my other videos, y'all already know this is my favorite brush. I love to apply my foundation, concealer, and contour. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box. Now to contour her, I'll be using BlackOpal Stick Foundation in the shade Karab. Most of my brushes are from Crown brushes, but I'll list this one in the description box. Playing with contour, you gotta seriously take your time and blend all this product down. To me, it's no right or wrong way to contour. You could use liquid, cream, or powder, whichever one you prefer. Before I set underneath her eyes, I make sure I use my brush to press out any creases. Then I'll be using my Nye Cosmetic Natural Set to set underneath her eyes. You can use Natural Set throughout the face. It's whatever your preference. Okay you guys, to set her face, I had to do a mixture of MAC Cosmetic Skin Finisher, medium dark, and the shade dark. As you can see, I still continue to do my best to blend any line of demarcation down. Now to highlight her, I'm just adding a little banana powder. I didn't want to put too much. You don't have to put all that banana underneath your eyes. If you want to just dust a little, you can. I'm just using a red pencil by this makeup brand called Matisse. I think they're discontinued, but you can use any red pencil. When doing the red lip, I always shade in the lip. To me, this will help the makeup last longer, which means like if you eat or drink something, at least as much of the red won't come off, even though I'm using a liquid matte lipstick. Comment if you get what I mean. The lip color is Feel So Grand by MAC Cosmetic. It's a liquid matte lipstick. Make sure you do your best in outlining the lip as much as possible, and don't forget to get the crevice in between the lips. Red lips, you gotta stay focused. Make sure you line those lips up. For the blush, I'm using a mixture of Juvia's Place. I'll list that in the description box. Now to sharpen her lips, I'll be using my 242 brush and her Skin Foundation Makeup Forever Y445 to sharpen up her lips. Red lips are very serious because you have to sharpen that thing up to make it look crispy clean. I always find myself going back and forth touching up red lips. To outline her waterline, I'll be using my MAC pencil in the shade Feline. You guys already know, to smudge underneath her eyes, I always use a piece of cardboard, and I'm using whatever shade I use in the crease to smudge underneath the eyes to give it a little smoky look. I always go back, fix, change, or rearrange anything that I see on the face. Now I'll be enhancing her lashes even more by adding some mink lash on top of them. I always use a tweezer to make sure I clamp and secure the lash. Next, I'll be using this Urban Decay mascara to remove any particles underneath her eyelash and also to pull out her top and bottom lash. All my product will be listed in the description box. Next, I'll be using my NYX Pearl White Pigment just to pop the center of her eyes. Then I'll be digging into the Black Radiant Contouring Palette using the shade Sculpt just to play with her contour a little bit more. Again, I fix, change, or rearrange anything that I see while I continue to do her makeup. So never be scared to go back over your work. Last, I'll be using some setting spray. Last, I'll be using my Juvia's Place bronzer. I'll list this bronzer in the description box. When you set the face first and add the bronzer, it just gives it an extra pop. I am so happy with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And please comment and let me know what you think. I am so pleased with this look. And yes, my girl served for Homecoming All-Star. She's giving you tennis player. If you like her look, please comment also, and please continue on and watch either number 1 or number 2 videos. Thank you. I love you guys.